Welcome to the Urban Ranch version 2.0, episode 13. So welcome back to another Urban Ranch version 2.0 update. Today was a pretty exciting day. It is Wednesday, October 7th, and today, if you didn't think this project was getting serious, when you start cutting holes in the roof, now it's getting serious. We'll take a look and show you what's going on. This is the third floor, and now you can see the dormer and the hole that has been cut today. You can see they already have a header on top of 4 windows that will sit there. As I walk out onto this temporary landing, you can see those are one of the 2 chimneys that was supported during the demolition of the back wall of the house. This might get a little challenging because of the sun. There you go. And then another one of our chimneys. And again, this chimney may need a little bit of tuck pointing over here, and obviously new flashing, all new roof with sheathing and everything that's to come after the dormer finishes up. So this is pretty exciting. What's going to basically happen here in the dormer is we're going to have stairs that are coming from the 2nd floor up to a landing, a couple more stairs up to a landing, and then circling back around here to the 3rd floor, and then the elevator shaft that'll sit here. And again, that's one of the main reasons for the dormer, not only to make sure that we're code compliant, for headroom of our stairs, but also this dormer will now allow adequate headroom for the elevator to come up to this 3rd floor. So every floor in the house will be wheelchair accessible if that's ever needed for anybody living here. So pretty cool that we're now cutting holes in the ceiling. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Hello. We're Brian and Crystal, owners of the Urban Ranch. We hope you've been enjoying our video updates, and today we'd like to welcome you to a new perspective, drone video. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on Urban Ranch version 2.0.